Hey everyone, welcome back to Wealth First. Today we are diving into the exciting world of investing. If you are a beginner and have been curious about how to start investing, this video is for you. By the end of this video, you will have a solid understanding of the basics of investing and how you can get started. So let's jump right in. What is investing? So, what exactly is investing? In simple terms, investing is the act of putting your money into financial assets with the expectations of earning a return or profit over time. These financial assets can include stocks, bonds, real estate, mutual funds, and more. The main goal of investing is to grow your wealth and achieve financial goals, whether that's saving for retirement, buying a house, or just building a safety net. Why should you invest? Now you might be wondering, why should you invest your money instead of just saving it? Well, the answer lies in the power of compounding. When you invest, your money has the potential to grow exponentially over time thanks to compound interest. This means you can earn returns not just on your initial investments but also on the returns you earn. Investing also helps you beat inflation. Inflation reduces the purchasing power of your money over time, but investing in assets that grow faster than inflation helps you preserve and increase your wealth. Types of investments. Let's talk about some common types of investment. First, we have stocks. When you buy a stock, you are buying a small piece of ownership in a company. Stocks can provide high returns, but they also come with higher risk. Next, we have bonds. Bonds are essentially loans you give to your company or a government in exchange for regular interest payment and the return of your principal at maturity. They are generally considered safer than stocks but offer lower returns. Then there are mutual funds and ETFs, which pool money from many investors to buy a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds. These can be a great way to diversify your investments without having to pick individual stocks or bonds. Real estate is another popular investment. You can invest directly by buying a property or indirectly through REITs, which are companies that own and operate income producing real estate. How to start investing? Alright, so how do you get started with investing? First, you need to set clear financial goals. What are you investing for? Retirement? A down payment on a house? Your goals will help you determine your investment strategy. Next, it's important to understand your risk tolerance. How much risk are you comfortable taking? Generally, higher risk investments offer higher potential returns, but they also come with higher potential losses. Once you know your goals and risk tolerance, you can start by opening a brokerage account. There are many online platforms that make it easy to start investing with just a few clicks. And remember, it's crucial to diversify your investment. Don't put all the money into one stock or asset. Spread it across different types of investment to reduce risk. Tips for successful investing. Here are a few tips to help you succeed in investing. First, start early. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Second, invest regularly. Consider setting up automatically contributes to your investment account to ensure you are consistently adding to your investment. Third, stay informed. Keep learning about investing and stay updated on the market trends. But don't get too caught up in daily market movements. Focus on the long term. And lastly, be patient. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Don't panic during market downturns. Stick to your strategy and give your investment time to grow. That wraps up our beginner's guide to investing. I hope you found this video helpful and feel more confident about starting your investment journey. If you have any questions or topics you would like me to cover in the future videos, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future updates. Thanks for watching and happy investing.